this video. Like the video. Like it. You know, I'm not doing it. I ain't starting until you like it. Okay, thank you. Now let's get into it. CON Seated, aka Mr. Cut the Beat, aka Mr. Slow It Down, I just dissed you, aka Jimmy Shoe Tron. Back again, quarantine pickup. I don't know what y'all did with y'all stimulus checks. Hope you did something good. I didn't get one. I wish I did. You guys know the Hollywood Apparel, right? The one that be sponsoring the videos, and they have all the crazy licensed authentic merchandise, shirts to go with all the kicks. I reached a milestone and I'm proud to announce they are the authentic retailers for Conceited merch now. So thank you to Hollywood Apparel. I salute you. So you can get all your Conceited merch. Slow It Down, I just dissed you shirts, DJ D-Rec Cut the Beat shirts, and of course the infamous meme shirts. You know that one? Yes. This one is my favorite one. It's on a $100 bill because this is the way my money looks at me every time I spend all this fucking bread on sneakers. Like this. My money looks at me just like this. And that's how I'm pretty sure y'all stimulus checks are looking at y'all, because y'all spent that on the fees. Are we gonna stop doing it? No. Back to business. We gonna get it started, kicking off right with my best quarantine pickups of the week. Of course, you know, I'm bringing stuff from the other weeks that I missed to give to y'all because I wasn't here. So you're gonna have some, you know, stuff from a few weeks ago in there too, and stuff that I picked up this week, because I'm not leaving y'all out the loop at all. We're gonna start it off light, like we always do about this time, with the sneaker y'all not gonna care about. Boom. These are the Pine Green, the newer ones. There they are. You guys see them already. You have them and all that. Yes. Decent shoe. Love it with the red laces and the red on the tongue. This was some of the pickups for even Air Max month. Alright? So I even got, you know, some of the old stuff. Remember, we still giving you joints from February. Still joints from February. Alright? So February and March. That's 8 weeks of joints. So I'm gonna be, you know me, going back and forth. But, so speaking of when Air Max month was, I was able to cop the Air Max 1 Atmos Zebras. Now, whoever doesn't like these shits, you're bugging. I don't care if you don't like Air Max. You have to like these. Alright? You have to. Look at that. Look at the blue. This is my favorite out of the three. Out of the three, it was this one. Then we had the giraffe one, which is my second favorite. That's on the green. And then we had, I believe, the leopard one or cheetah. I'm not sure which one it was. Both got spots. Who knows? With the orange. That's fire too, but that's my least favorite out of the pair. This is my first. This shit feels amazing. Definitely recommend for you to cop. Let's wait on you, baby. Let's wait on you. So we still in the Air Max. Yo, these are insane. Shout out to my son Munch, man. Yo, in Foot Locker, love y'all. When I got them and put them on the toe, I'm like, nah, these are super crazy. I think this is definitely gonna be a lit sneaker later on, but mad futuristic. Looks like it will be a running sneaker of the future, and I'm glad I got my hands on them. These are fire. Those are not for everybody though. It's not for everybody. I know some of y'all niggas looking at like, Con, you bugging. You are wildin'. He fire. Remember, we still doing February, right? Still doing February joints. So y'all see that, so you know what that is. You see all the holes in there. Alright, Off-White Jordan 5s. Definitely gonna put the white laces in that joint. They look super crazy with the white laces. I like this shoe a lot. What happened, y'all? What happened to all that shit? Cause when all these images surfaced, y'all niggas was talking crazy about these. Crazy. Whack, triz, boom, and why was it so hard for niggas to get paid then? What happened? Some of y'all didn't keep that same energy. Y'all supposed to be treating life like 2K with the fatigue off. Keep that same energy, or whatever Hollow the Dawn said. Something like that, but it was fire. Y'all saw me wear these. Woo! Air Max 1 Atmos 2006. Bam! Insane. I put these on the feet probably for like 4 days straight when I got them. I had the 95s already, never had the Air Max 1s of the Atmos 2006 Animal Pack. Now I do. This was the grail of grails of that pack, and I finally got them. Moving on. It's going crazy, Air Max motherfuckers. These was going crazy. They were going crazy. What is this? Ooh, the Prada. Homegrown. Homegrown Air Max 90s. Pradas. I mean, y'all should know. If you don't, that's what the internet's for. Crazy. Insane. Come with white and green laces as well. The orange laces to me are the most fire. To go with the leather sock liner. Oh, and the insole's a cork material on the insole. Air Max 90s, Prada, homegrown. Yeah, I know I said I wanted to wait for these, but I just can't. I just can't. Y'all know Union. Y'all know Union did an Air Max 97 with a 360 bottom. One time only pack. What they were called. One time only. Sock liner. Crazy. Insane. Look at that. Damn. These. Of course, I would have liked it better with an original bottom, but gotta do what you gotta do. It's lit! You know, remember, February, it's a lot of stuff. You gotta catch up. I gotta catch y'all up. Y'all wanna know what I was doing, so I'm catching my fam up. No, Trinidad's, boom, of course, fire. Didn't put them on the toe yet, but I will. The pink check, what's so fire about these joints. And I like the rope laces a lot. Normal box, not the special box, normal box. See, I don't care too much for boxes, except for your girl. Okay, you know what? Let me say, I like the special boxes. I just wouldn't pay extra chicken for a sneaker just to have a special box when it's the same exact sneaker. I care about the sneaker, not the box, except for you got it. Down to the nitty gritty. Super duper uber Gritterdale. Been trying to get this shoe for the longest. It's in my top 5 of this category of style of sneakers, and it always got away from me. Or it was way too much chicken, like OD. I'm like, nah, I'm good. And it is bah! Okay? Yes. So you know what that is. You already know. Of course, you guys know how the box goes. The unseal it to undead stock with the seal right here. I had to look at it, make sure they wasn't bang bang. The inside said it's all fun and games until someone raises the dead. Y'all want to see that? If you haven't seen it before, I don't know if other dudes showed the inside. And so I mean, y'all know what this is by now. Woo-hoo! Yeah, it doesn't really get no better than this one. It does not. It does not. Bang! Bang! I mean, so, you know, we seen the fake pairs doesn't even look like smoke on it. The fake pairs is just a dumb, stupid pattern here, or the shit come way up here and look crazy. Yeah, so, you know, you're dealing with CON, you got the official missiles. Boom! Paranormals, finally got them. These bad boys glow in the dark. Fire! Almost forgot about this one. And I can't. Actually, y'all see me wore this. What? Y'all see me wear this on Easter. That was hit number 1. Here's hint number 2. Hint number 3 should be the color of the box. And there is no hint number 4, because number 4 is the feet, and that is the Marge Simpson SBs. God damn, I love these. Wow, homie. The Marge Simpson, alright? Yo, these joints are one of my favorite highs. You know, it's so funny, I had to do that. Like, yo, son, you say some of these joints are one of your favorites a lot. Yeah, one of. I have tons of favorite kicks, which is why I have so much, because a lot of them are my favorites. But yeah, Marge Simpson SB's Apparel. Green laces with it. Green laces with it probably be fire, right? Damn, I might have to do that. Thanks to y'all, because I really would have been thanks to y'all. Thank you. I'm gonna have to do that. And we are going to end this off with this sneaker right here. Since I'm bringing you stuff from Air Max month, since we was talking about Air Maxes, since these were supposed to drop on Air Max Day. Boom! Day quality meat. Pause. And pause for what's on the box. No, I don't know what this is, alright? I don't. But to see the word meat and have something drawn like that, but obviously this is the box that came from Dave's Quality Meat, aka DQM in New York City, when they dropped these sneakers. So you should know exactly what they are now. I gave you every single hint there is, and now you are going to get a look at a sneaker that probably Muslims won't even wear, because they don't eat pork. I don't eat pork either, but I wear it on my feet. The Bacons. Air Max 90 Big DQM, Dave Quality Meat. Y'all did the best job that could possibly be done on an Air Max 90. Material, colors, quality, just like a real butcher shop. I already put these on just to walk around the house. I didn't go nowhere, nothing. These are still quote unquote dead stock, as to what a reseller would say after trying them on. But I did not wear these out yet, but I did try them on to walk around the house. You know, just to keep that midsole firm and Gucci. You know what I mean? I don't want to have it sitting too long. Oh, that's something. Break out your kicks every now and then, especially the older joints. Break them out. Walk around the house with them. Walk around the house, you know, with them for, an hour or two, but whatever. However, just your normal day-to-day that you walking around. Throw them on. Keep them joints working, because you're going to let them sit for a year or two. Put your foot in. Oh, shoe explode. And we don't want that. But yeah, finally got these joints right here. Couldn't hide from you long. And there you have it. That is the quarantine pickup. One of the illest pickups I had. And it was in quarantine. This makes me want to stay in quarantine after that. Shit was good to me. Now remember, like, comment, subscribe to your Bitted Oi. Please do that. Like, comment, subscribe. Do that. And you can see all these pickups. And I want you to tell me what you think. And y'all start sending me your pickups. Yo, DM me at Jimmy.Shootron at ConceitedNYC. DM them. Show me your pickups, man. Show me. I want to see. Alright, because I'm tired of just doing this myself and y'all not sharing the love with me. I want to see what you cop. Alright, like, comment, subscribe. Peace.